This space is not just used for the music program, it's a space where the community does gather. The PTA meets here, the student body meets here, the Board of Ed has presentations here. So it's not just for our music department, but this is a community space.
The middle school auditorium has a lot of great assets. It's a beautiful place. It's a little bit dated. It hasn't had many renovations in a number of years. So this renovation will provide new seating, new lighting. It will still keep the historical attributes of the auditorium while giving it an uplift and modernize it to what today's standards are.
Some of the major changes that we're looking forward to is the stage is going to be slightly larger. Doors are going to be widened on the stage so instruments can come on and off the stage easier. We have all of our concerts here, and right now it's difficult for instruments to get through the doors. New lights, new microphone system, new speakers. It's going to be exciting.
I'm really excited because this has been the same for a long time, and I feel like if it got renovated, then a lot more kids would be interested in doing choir and the musical.
I know when I sit in the middle school auditorium and see my sister perform, I can't necessarily hear super well. So I feel like if you experience the performance and you can hear it better, understand it better, I feel like that would make you more willing to join.
It'll make the experience of both performing and watching the performances really enjoyable and exciting.
Having a brand new space is going to be exciting. They're going to want to be in this space. This is where they come for class, for choir. So getting that opportunity to be in the new auditorium, to be the first groups to get to perform in here, I think it's going to encourage kids to continue to participate. And I think it'll be nice for the community to have a space that's easy to walk into and use.